Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhan. So today in this particular video we shall be continuing and we shall be completing our ongoing chapter, that is angles. It's chapter number 10 of your book. Okay. So before completing this chapter, let us recall some facts about the angles. What is an angle, how many types of angles are there, and then we'll solve 3 to 4 problems regarding angles, and then we'll be concluding the class as well as the chapter. So now let us write the name of the chapter. It is chapter number 10 and the name is angles. Okay. Now do we know when an angle is formed? When an angle is formed? Okay. Okay, before knowing when an angle is formed, let us know what is a line, what is a ray, what is a line segment. Okay. Now what is a line? Can anyone write the answers in the comment section? What is a line? Line is what? Line is a collection of points. Okay, line is a collection of points. Line is a collection of points. Okay, line is a collection of points which moves through both sides. Okay, endlessly. The line never stops. Okay, these arrows represent that line. Line keeps moving on. Okay, now ray. That is it has no end points on the both sides. Clear? Now this is line, this is ray. Okay, this is a ray. Ray is what? A ray is a type of a line or a collection of points or a collection of points which has a starting point. Okay, look, from this point this ray started and it has no ending point, but in case of line we have no starting point as well as no ending points. Clear? Okay, then comes line segment. Okay, this is ray. Next comes line segment. Look, we have 2 points, isn't it, on the both sides? We have 2 points on the both sides, so it becomes line segment. That is, it has both starting as well as ending points. Okay, now for making angles, okay, we may require line. We may have line, we may have ray, we may have line segments also in angles. For example, when an angle is formed, for example, this is a line. Okay, this is a line. This is the line AB. You can consider this is the line AB. Now, if another line, okay, if another line coincides or intersect with that given line, that is AB, then at that time angle is formed. Okay, at that time angle is formed. Look at them. For example, like this, it has coincided, isn't it, or intersect? Angle is formed, isn't it? This is known as what? Angle. Okay, look how many angles are formed. One angle, then second angle, third angle, fourth angle, isn't it? 4 angles are formed. Okay, 4 angles are formed. Is this clear? When an angle is formed, when a line or a line segment or a ray intersect one another. Okay, at that point angles are formed. Clear? At that point angles are formed. Now we have different types of angles. We have already discussed, isn't it, in our classes, offline classes. First one is acute angle. What is an acute angle? When an angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, like this, less than 90 degree, then this angle is formed as acute angle. Okay, acute angle. Clear? When an angle is less than 90 degree, this is known as acute angle. When an angle is exactly 90 degree, okay, exactly 90 degree, that means like this. Okay, that is, a line will be perpendicular on the other line. Clear? This angle is known as 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Clear? This is known as right angle. Clear? Right angle. Okay, this angle is known as right angle. Okay, now after acute, first one is acute, second one is right angle, then the third type of angle is what? Obtuse angle. Clear? What is an obtuse angle? Definitely when first angle is what? Acute angle, less than 90 degree. Second angle is what? Less than 90 degree. That means what we are considering, we are referring to that angle, isn't it? Less than 90 degree. Okay, if this line is a bit lesser than 90 degree, then this angle is known as acute angle, and if it is exactly 90 degree, then this is known as right angle. Okay, and now if the angle is mm, what, more than 90 degree, okay, if the angle is more than 90 degree, then it will be obtuse angle. Okay, if the angle is more than 90 degree, look at the board. If the angle is more than 90 degree, okay, up to this, this is up to this is 90 degree, isn't it? Up to this it is 90 degree. Now if it is more than 90 degree, if it is more than 90 degree like this, then this angle is known as obtuse angle. Clear? Then this angle is known as obtuse angle. Okay, what type of angle? Obtuse angle. OBTUSE, obtuse, and GL. Clear? Obtuse. And then now we if we have a straight line, okay, if we have a straight line, if there are how many rays? Two rays, okay, from this point, one ray, this is another ray. If we have a straight line like this, then this angle is known as what? Straight angle. Then this angle is known as straight angle. What? Straight. STRAIGST, straight angle. Okay, and it is exactly 180 degree. Okay, it is exactly 180 degree. Clear? It is exactly 180 degree. Acute angle example, you can say 25 degree, 30 degree, 70 degree, 89 degree, 80 degree. These are the examples of acute angle. Then right, okay, let's write 25 degree, okay, then 39 degree, then 75 degree. These are the examples of acute angle. Okay, right angle, right angle is what? Only one angle is a right angle which measures 90 degree. Clear? Next is what? Obtuse angle. What did I told you? That is angles which are more than 90 degree. Okay, the angles which are more than 90 degree. And less than 180 degree. Clear? It is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Such types of angles are known as obtuse angle. For example, 91 degree. 91 degree is more than 90 degree, isn't it? 91 degree, then 170 degree, 120 degree. These are the obtuse angles. Okay, we have one more type of angle in our book, that is the reflex angle. Look, first one is acute angle, that is smaller than 90 degree. Okay, look, this ray is moving like this, isn't it? This is acute angle. Then if it becomes straight, it becomes what? Right angle. Now if it moves further like this, it becomes obtuse angle. Now if it becomes straight like this, if it becomes straight like this, it becomes straight angle. Now if it moves further, that is more than 90 degree, it becomes a reflex angle. What type of angle? Reflex angle. Okay, so let us draw one reflex angle on the board. Okay, straight is what? 180 degree, isn't it? Now if it moves further like this, it becomes a reflex angle. So we will be measuring the angle through this. Okay, not like this. Clear? This is known as a reflex angle. What? Reflex and GD angle. Okay, and if it keeps moving further, clear, like this, if it is moving, isn't it, like moving again, if it comes here, then this becomes what? Then it becomes complete angle. What? It becomes complete angle. Clear? Complete and GL angle. Okay, complete angle is what? 360 degree, and it is what? It is more than 80 degree, 180 degree, and less than 360 degree. Clear? Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. Then obtuse angle is what? More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle is what? Exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle is what? More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Clear? And complete angle is what? Exactly 360 degree. Clear? Okay. So these concepts we have already discussed in our class, isn't it? And I think we have also solved many problems also. Okay, so now we'll be moving to the exercise 10.2. 10.2, we have two questions left, isn't it? We have two questions left, that is question number 11 and question number 12. We will be solving those two questions and then we will be completing the chapter. Clear? Okay, so the first question is what? If the points A, O, and B are collinear, find the value of x in the following figures. Okay, now do we know what is a collinear? We have already discussed what are collinear points, isn't it? In I think most probably basic geometrical ideas. Yes. Huh? What is a collinear point? It's collinear. Co means what? Co means same, isn't it? And linear, what came from what? Line, isn't it? Huh? Collinear. I guess you have remembered, you have recalled, isn't it? So before that, let me write the question. It is exercise 10.2. Okay, 10.2. So if the point A or B are collinear, if the point A O and B are collinear. If the point A or B are collinear, find the value of x in each of the following. Find the value of x in each of the following. Okay, following. Let us draw the figures one by one. Okay, we have to draw the figures one by one. First figure is like this. Look at the board. Right? Please look at the board. Try to understand. Okay, and if you have any doubt, I want to remind you that you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me, and we will be clearing the doubts in our next video. Okay, in our next class. Clear? So first is this point is A, this point is O, and this point is B. Okay, now first angle is 40 degree. So for example, without measuring, we are drawing this angle is 40 degree. Okay, 40 degree. Next is X. Next one is X, and the next is 3x. Here we have x, isn't it? Look, here we have also x. So our main question is what? Find the value of x in each of the following. Okay, we want to find the value of x here. Okay, before that, let us know what was collinear. Collinear means what? Co means, as I told you, it is same, isn't it? Co means same, and linear come from the word line. Clear? So collinear point means what? When the points are on the same line. Okay, when the points are on the same line, then these points are known as collinear points. Look here, A, O, B are on the same line, isn't it? These 3 points are on the same line, so these points are known as collinear points. I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay. So now look at the board. Now we have already know that straight angle is what? Straight angle is 180 degrees, isn't it? Now we can consider, okay, by looking the figure, we can consider this overall angle is what? This overall angle is straight angle, isn't it? Huh? This angle is straight angle. This angle is what? Straight angle, isn't it? This is what? 180 degree. Okay, now we have 3 angles in this. First angle is 40 degree, next is x degree, now next is 3x degree. Now if we add all this, there is 40 degree, x, then 3x. If we add, it will become how much? It will become 180 degree. Okay, for example, we know, you know, that is, for example, you have 100 rupees. Okay, you have 100 rupees. Now you have 3 notes. Okay, you have 3 notes, which makes 100 rupees. Okay, now we can consider, isn't it? Our first note is what? Rupees 50. Our first note is what? 50 into 1, that is 1 note. Then our second note is what? 20. Okay, 2 note. Then our third note is what? 10. 1 note. It becomes it becomes what? 100, isn't it? Look, 50 into 1 is 50, 20 into 2 is what? 40. Look at the board. This is 50, this is 40, and this is 10. It becomes 100, isn't it? But overall, all total, this is also 100. Now if we add this also becomes 100, isn't it? Likewise, if we this overall angle, this is known as what? Straight angle. This complete, this angle is known as what? Straight angle, isn't it? This angle is not a straight angle. It is what? Its total how measure is what? Measurement is what? 180 degree. Okay. Now this straight angle is segmented. This we have made into pieces. Okay. First is acute angle. Next is one more acute angle. Next is what? From this line, if you consider this line, it is an obtuse. Okay. So look, first one is we have segmented. Okay. That means we have made it. We have made it into parts. Clear? We have made it into parts. Okay. So now if we add these three angles also, then this result will also be 180 degree. Clear? Then this result will also be 180 degree. Okay. So now let us give two names. Okay. A or B, then P, and this one S. Okay. So our first angle, now the name of the first angle is what? POB. Okay. POB. The point where angle is formed, isn't it here? At which point the angle is formed? The angle is formed at which point? At point O, isn't it? So we will keep that point in the middle. Okay, we will keep that point in the middle, like this, POB, like this, POB. You can't write the name of the angle like this, PBO. This is wrong. Okay, and this is correct. Clear? We'll keep that point in the middle, so it will be POB. Okay. So look at the board. Let us solve the problems. Clear? So we'll be writing solution. Okay, we'll be writing solutions now. Angle POB is what? Or we can write from figure angle POB, then angle what? This name of this angle is what? SOP. Very familiar word, isn't it? SOP, yes. Then plus, then SOA or AOS. You can write AOS. It will be 180 degree. Clear? If we add all these three segmented angles, it will be 180 degree. Okay. So now look at the board. The value of POB is what? POB. It is what? It is 40 degree. Okay, 40 degree. Next is what? X. Value of SOP is what? X. Next is what? AOPS. It is 3x. Okay, it is 3x. So now look, these are the two variables, isn't it? These are the two variables. Okay, these are the two variables. Okay, so we will be adding the variables. Okay, and you can consider this is a constant one, isn't it? So look, x 40 degree plus x and 3x. What it becomes? X plus 3x. It becomes 4x. Clear? It becomes 4x. So it will be 4x equals 180 degree. Clear? Next is what? We have to find out the value of x, isn't it? So we will be changing the side. First we will be removing this 40 degree. Okay, now 40 degree is what? This is what? This is plus, isn't it? We have nothing in front. That means it is positive. Okay, it becomes positive. So now if we remove, okay, if we change the side, it will be negative. Okay, so in the left hand side, it will be what? It will be 4x equals 180 degree minus 40 degree. Clear? 180 degree minus 40 degree. Okay, so the next is what? Next what to write? Okay, let me okay, let us write here. Okay, after from this we are moving to that point. Okay, next is what? 4x equals 180 minus 40 degree is what? 140 degree. Okay, then next we have to remove this 4, isn't it? Now 4 is what? Multiplied, isn't it? So when we are changing the side, it will be divided. So we can find out the value of x. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Then 20. 4 into 5 is 20. Okay, so the value of x is what? Value of x is 35 degrees. So now if we put the value of x here, that is 35 degree, and if you put what? 3 into 35 degree, and if you find out the result, then all the total sum will be what? 180 degree. Okay, so we'll be writing therefore value of x is 35 degree. Clear? I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay. So let us solve one more and look at them, and we will try to very easy, isn't it? Yes. Let us solve one more and then we'll be concluding the chapter. Okay, we'll be concluding the chapter. Clear? Okay. Okay, so let us draw the figure. This way, this becomes 90 degree. Okay, it becomes 90 degree. Next is what? Next is 35 degree. Okay, okay, and it is 90 degree. It is given in the box. Okay, we have to find out the value of x. Clear? Look, this is A O B. Okay, okay. So let us give name as P and S. Clear? Now look, we'll be not considering the whole all this straight angle. Okay, no need to consider the straight angle, isn't it? We if you want to consider, you can consider, no problem. But here we if we consider that is in 90 degree, this angle is what? This angle is right angle, isn't it? Look, here we have this symbol also. This angle is what? 90 degree. Okay, if you consider 90 degree, we can easily find out that is first this 90 degree. This right angle is what? Segmented into two parts. Okay, this right angle is segmented into two parts. First angle is what? POB. Okay, second angle is what? SOP, isn't it? So if we add SOP and POB, what will be the result? It will be SOB. Clear? Huh? Isn't it? It will be SOB. So look, try to understand. Look, this is 90 degree, isn't it? This is 90 degree. Okay. Now this 90 degree segmented. Segmented, it means what? It is pieces. Okay. We had made it into pieces. Okay. So now look, first angle. Okay, this is what POB. Okay, now next is what SOP. Now if we add these two angles, okay, if we add these two angles, then the result will be what? The result will be what? 90 degrees, isn't it? Okay, so look at the book. So same from figure, POB, then SOP. Same from figure, angle POB plus angle SOP equals what? 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Now POB is what? POB, value of POB is what? 35 degree. Next, SOP value is what? X equals what? 90 degree. Okay, this 90 degree. Clear? Now look, we want to find out the value of x, isn't it? We want to find out the value of x. Clear? Now here we will change the side of 35, isn't it? So now here 35 is plus, huh? The positive. So when we change this side, it will be negative. So we can write it as like this: 90 degree minus 35 degree. Clear? So x equals 10 minus 5 is 5. Then here 8 minus 3 is 5, 55. Clear? Now this is what? 35 degree, and this value of x is what? 55 degree. If we add these two, the result will be, that is the resultant will, that is SOB will be 90 degree. Clear? Okay. So now you can write therefore value of x is 55 degree. Clear? Value of x is 55 degree. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the second 12th question. That is the last question of our of the chapter. Clear? 12. Okay, in this question, if angle PQR equals 135 degree, find the value of x. Okay, now same type we'll be implementing, we'll be using our same knowledge. Okay, in that figure we know the angle, isn't it? We know the overall angle, we know the total angle, isn't it? In this figure, this was what? 90 degree. In the previous figure, the overall angle was what? 180 degrees, isn't it? But in question number 12, one more angle is given. Okay, there is the total angle is given, which is 135 degree, and same that 135 degree is segmented. Okay, it is made into pieces, and then again there also x is given and some known angles is also given. Okay, and then we have to find out the value of x. Clear? We have to find out the value of x very easy. Okay, look at the board. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, will be solving the will be clearing the doubts in our next video. Okay, we'll be clearing the doubts in our next video. Clear? Okay, so look at the board. If angle PQR, okay, question number 12, if angle PQR equals 135 degree, okay, if angle PQR equals 135 degree, next is what? Find the value of x in the following figures. Find the value of x. Find the value of x is the following figures. Okay, find the value of x in the following figures. Clear? Find the value of x in the following figures. Okay, so first figure, let us draw the first figure. Okay, look at the board. Let us draw the first figure. This is PQR. This is our PQR. Okay, PQR. Okay, now next we have this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is what? X. Okay, and overall angle is what? PQR. That is overall angle is what? Overall angle is 135 degree. Clear? Overall angle is 135 degree. Clear? So that 135 degree is converted into two pieces, isn't it? First angle is what? 90 degree. Second angle is what? X. Clear? Second angle is x. So now we have to find out the value of that x. Okay, that is what type of angle is this. Okay, okay, clear? Same thing. Clear? First angle is what? First angle is 90 degrees. Second angle is x, and 90 and x, if we combine, it becomes 135 degree. Up to this we know, isn't it? Okay, using this knowledge, we can find out the value of x. Okay, so let a PQR and s something. PQR s what? Yes. So now look at the board. From figure, again we'll be writing from figure. Solution from figure. Angle SQR plus angle PQS. Angle PQS equals 135 degree. Isn't it? Isn't it? PQS equals 135 degree. So SQR, look, SQR, its value is how much? Its value is 90 degree, isn't it? So we will be writing 90 degree. Now next PQR, sorry, SQR, then PQS, sorry, PQS, its value is what? X equals 135 degree. Okay, so now we'll be changing the side of, isn't it? First is 90 degrees, 90 degrees is what? Positive, so when we change the side, it will be negative, so it will be 135 degree minus 90 degree. Clear? So x equals how much? 45 degree, isn't it? X equals 45 degree. Up to this clear? Look, 5 minus 0 is 5, isn't it? Then next 13 minus 9 is what? 4. Okay, so value of x is 45 degrees. So we're writing therefore value of x is 45 degree. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay, very good. Okay. So now let us solve one more. Okay, let us solve one more, and then we'll be completing the chapter. Clear? Same questions from one number two. Okay, same questions from one number two. Okay, so let us draw the figure PQR, and this is number two. First one is PQ. Line is what? P. Okay, QR. Then this angle, it is Q. Okay, and this is point R, and we have one more ray. Okay, and this is okay. This is P. This is Q. This is R. The value of that angle is what? Value of that angle is x plus 15. X plus 15 degree. Okay. Yes, x plus 15 degree, and the value of this angle is what? 3x. Value of this angle is what? 3x. Okay, this is x plus 15, this is 3x. Clear? Now all the overall angle is what? All the overall angle is 135 degree. Clear? Same way we will be adding PQRS, we will be adding the angles, so we will be writing solution. Look at the board. Then solution, then from figure angle SQR, angle SQR plus angle PQS, angle PQS equals 135 degree. Okay, so SQR is angle is how much? It is x plus 15 degrees, isn't it? Next PQS is how much? 3x. Okay, 3x equals 135 degree. Clear? Now x plus 3x is how much? X plus 3x, it is 4x. 4x plus 15 degree equals 135 degree. Okay, 4x plus 15 degree equals 135 degree. Clear? So now 4x equals what? 4x equals 135 degree. Now 15 is plus, so which is inside, it will be minus 15. Okay, so it will be 4x equals 120 degree. Clear? So x equals 120 by 4. Okay, x equals 120 by 4. Then x equals 120 by 4 is how much? 30 degree. So value of x is 30 degree. Clear? I hope this is clear to you, right? Okay, so let's today end it here, and this is for today's class. So meet you in the next class, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Stay safe, stay blessed. Tata, bye bye.